Good afternoon, guys. How's it going? Man, it's going alright. Just out here, just doing a little finish up touches out here on my main bench, and after that, I'm gonna probably start cleaning and organizing the other one. Because right now I just want to get all this out of my way so I can actually get things ordered, organized, and ready. So that's my plan for right now. You're fine. So, plus, once I get a lot of cash I had, get myself a dual charger for my impacts. So okay, good, they're still good. U-joints for my RAM. So gotta put that, gotta keep that over there. So how was your guys this night since the last time I made a video, which was yesterday? So actually I'm gonna keep these U-joints here. I need to get a marker so I can mark all the parts that I get, so I know what's what. So, yeah, cause I really don't like having a clusterfuck of workbench to work with. Who needs a rubber glove? So I wonder if I ground this test light and shove it up someone's ass, see if they're just as bright as their whole fucking life. Found my other freaking pry bar I was looking for this morning. Here's a little tip. If you're out traveling, going out of town or out of state, at least bring a bag of tools, a blanket or something. Just a little tip. So, I'll be right back, guys. Smells like someone just shat in here. God, it smells like a bad case of fucking gonorrhea with a syphilis. Jesus Christ. Yes, I have a mouth on me, alright? I can deal with that. Gotta put that in my bag too, so I gotta put this bastard on my way. Oh, fuck you. Plus, I gotta get another decent sized toolbox, so I can put all my these bigger tools in. So Gotta get the broom out here too so I can sweep everything up. You know what? I gotta get a roll of paper towels. These do come in handy after a while, but damn plastic shit. Okay, I have no idea where that goes. Okay. Okay, that can go. Well, that can go because hack that to shit. That can go. Whatever the fuck this is. Oh, my fireball shot glass. Yes, I like my whiskey when I'm in a mood. Won't take much, but so far it's looking halfway decent, better than it used to be a while back when it was a big old clusterfuck. 10 snips, half-inch ratchet. God, I gotta get my tools organized. Good. Marker. See, once you get parts like this, always label them so you know which ones it goes to. I know it's weird, but if you really think about it, it will help you out in the long run. Throw that away because it's cold and won't fucking work for shit, so that can stay up. This can go in here. So I know it's weird that I want to keep my workbench clean, but God, I gotta take a crap after I'm done here. There we go. No, thank you, sir. No, thank you. Does it still work? No. Oh, wait. Wrong. No. Shot. Bunch of eye hooks. Might as well put this in my truck on tire gauge. Never know when you need that. I mean, it's not really looking all that bad now after I got it cleaned, so. But, yeah. But anyways, talk to you guys later. Bye.